What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to view your analytics on your TikTok account. Now, if you're not familiar with what analytics are, basically this is a great way to see a bunch of different data about your account, whether it be specific posts or account as a whole. It's essentially going to show you how your account is either growing or slowing down in popularity throughout your TikTok experience. Now, on the app here, the first thing that I'm going to do is head over to my profile by clicking the little human icon in the bottom right hand corner there. And then in the top right hand corner with the three little lines, it comes up with two other different menus. I'm going to go ahead and go to settings here. And then right at the top of settings, you could see there plain clear in writing the analytics, and like I explained earlier, with the graph icon next to it. And when you click on that, it has 4 different tabs, and each tab has a bunch of in-depth different data that you could look at and your profile. Now, I don't post too much on this profile myself, so you can see that the data is far and few between. Only 8 total followers and 18 views, I believe, in the last 30 days. Like I said, I haven't uploaded in a while, and even when I did, it was pretty inconsistent, so I don't have much data here. But if you were a TikToker and you were consistently posting videos, you would probably have a lot more data here, and you could see some more insights about how you are growing as your TikTok, and if you are slowing down, see if you need to change or improve anything. Now, I'm not an expert in gathering data, but hopefully you would come to a great conclusion about how you could run your account from this data. That's pretty much all I have for you today, though. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you had any questions about how this worked or the analytics screen in general, I could give you an in-depth rundown if you leave a comment down below, and I can answer any questions that you want. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.